Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is SimplyBriannaB and today we are talking about basically I want to introduce you guys to the idea of manifestation and the law of attraction. For those who have not heard about it, or if you have heard about it, it might be a different perspective for you. So let's get started. You might have seen like something on Instagram or Twitter about manifesting. Like it's a big thing now. It's so crazy on YouTube. You can search manifestation and hundreds of thousands of videos will pop up. Manifesting is basically when you use the energy, your energy, and the law of attraction to attract the things that you want out of life. The law of attraction is the belief that negative and positive thoughts will bring negative and positive things into your life. So an example of the law of attraction and manifestation would be, this is a negative example. So you have all of these bills to pay, you have debt, credit card debt, student loan debt, all types of stuff, and you feel like you cannot pay this. You genuinely feel in your soul that you will not be able to pay this anytime soon, if ever. So you keep saying to yourself and thinking to yourself, I cannot pay these bills, I cannot pay this debt off, I don't know what to do, I just can't, I can't. Then the more that you do that and the more that you have those thoughts, more bills and more debt will come to you because you've attracted it. A positive example of this would be, I always make money easily. So if you have a decent job or if you have a good job and it just so happens that you always get money or money just falls into your lap, you're gonna keep thinking that. And the more that you think that and truly feel that in your soul, it's gonna keep happening. Do y'all understand how that works? What you think and what you say and feel will come to you. That is the law of attraction, and that is manifestation. So how I was introduced to the law of attraction is one day I was watching a YouTube video. I am so mad that I cannot remember the name of the YouTuber, but she was talking about the law of attraction and manifestation. She recommended that everyone watch this documentary on Netflix called The Secret. And as soon as I watched that video, I went to Netflix and I watched the documentary, and I kid you not, that changed my life. It changed my life. Like, I'm not even joking. So I recommend that y'all pause this video and go to Netflix if you have it, get somebody password or something, and go watch The Secret on Netflix immediately. I feel like everybody in the world should watch this movie because it's like, you will see when you watch it, but go watch it. So here's your chance to pause. I'll wait. Okay, you're back. All right, so like I said, after I watched that documentary, it changed my life. And then I started doing more research on it, and I went back to YouTube and I found a YouTuber named Sparklemariee. Shout out to her, because she really dives deep into the different forms of manifestation. And she has a Facebook group where women just uplift each other and motivate each other and give examples of when they manifested and what they manifested. So I am thankful for her for making so many videos that break everything down. Some of the different forms of manifesting include just thinking it in your mind, speaking it out loud, with affirmations, like I'll make a separate video for that. Also, scripting is a really popular method of manifestation, which is basically just writing down how you want your life to be in the present tense. So you would say, I make money easily, instead of I will make money easily. You would say it in the present tense. Oh, there's quantum jumping. It gets really deep. So quantum jumping is like where you can make stuff happen the next day, or you can make somebody call you. Like, it's weird, but it's real. It's real. The last method of manifesting that a lot of people might not think about, but they know about, would be vision boards. Vision boards are an obvious method of manifestation because you take pictures and words of what you want your life to be and you put them on a board. That's simple manifestation. And then usually what people say is that most things or all things on their vision boards come true. after they've made them. So I mean, there's so much proof out here that manifestation is real and that it works. If you don't believe it, then that's up to you. But honestly, I just feel like, what do you have to lose? Like, what do you have to lose by thinking positive, changing your mindset, and switching and taking control? Like, you have nothing to lose. You don't have to buy anything unless it's a book about it. You don't have to, like, it just take a couple minutes out of your day and then manifest. That is the introduction to what manifestation and the law of attraction is. I will definitely be making more videos about this, so stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, like this video, and make a comment. And also follow me on Instagram at SimplyBriannaB. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.